baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hey, today we went to Latanier Cookers. I tell you what, hey, this is April, and we're gonna make it happen, Chef. I'm gonna cook some shrimpy corn, and hey, they even serving my awesome crawfish boudin unstuffed, along with jambalaya and about 100 or 200, 300 people. Anyway, this Chef Bourque. I'm gonna talk to you later. Let's go see what's going on, Chef. Hot dang. All right, Chef. Look here. I'm at Latanier Cookers, Palmetto Island State Park, making my shrimpy corn today. Let me see what I got in my little pot. I just started off with my shrimpy corn, and I tell you what, it's starting to look good, Chef. Yeah, oh yeah, look at the juices coming out of there. Hey, after a while there'll be a little shrimp in there and some spices, and that's what's going to tell the tale. Hot dang. Let's go visit.
It's too bad it's not a scratch and sniff movie or something where you could smell. Boy, it smells good.
Scratch and sniff, yeah, that sounds good, man. James Minard, what's going on, buddy? All right, what you got in the pot, partner?
I got Chef Ted's crawfish boudin unstuffed.
Unstuffed? Yeah, that's the way to go, bud. I tell you what, man. Hey, it's going to be a fun day today. I see you just starting just like I am, man.
Yeah.
A little bit early. We'll be back later to check you out.
All right, good deal.
What's going on, partner?
Not much, just enjoying the day.
That's it, man. Well, it's going to get better.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a beautiful day today.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, Miss Minard.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chef. How you doing?
We sitting in between the raindrops.
Oh, yeah, I'm telling you. I think it's all going to pass over, though, really. Oh, yes, ma'am. Y'all have a great day.
You'll be all going at noon.
What's going on, man? What you got going on? What you got in the pot?
I'm going to have a chicken stew and a sauce piquant.
Chicken stew and a sauce piquant. You starting to cook it yet?
Huh?
Are you starting to cook it yet?
I'm just getting the chicken browned.
All right. Can I get a picture of that?
Yeah.
Okay, you're just getting the browning going.
Yeah, just getting her brown.
Oh yeah, man. I'll be back after a while when this thing here is just raring to go, ready to jump out the pot.
Once I get that brown, everything's bubbling.
Hey, thank you, partner.
Yeah,
appreciate it. Butch Moore over here, president of Latanier Cookers. What you got going on, Butch?
Oh, cooking jambalaya.
Jambalaya.
Just about got it rolling.
Well, that's a good deal, boss. I tell you what, man. I'm glad to be out here today. Looks like the weather was pretty bad, but looks like we made it, man.
Oh yeah, it cleared up just in time.
Good deal. So you got your jambalaya in the pot, huh, bud?
We start, you're just about ready to throw it all back in.
Man, that's good. This is chef number 2 there, Robbie Moe.
Yeah, we getting.
Hey, man, look, this looking good, boss.
We're working on it. We working on it.
Oh, yeah. Jeez. What y'all want to put, the bacon in there or what?
Oh yeah, bacon, sausage, chicken, green onion. Don't forget the green onion.
So you
You can't forget that.
Hell no. So you got a real jambalaya, man.
Oh yeah.
That's it, man. That's it. Ooh, that's some sausage right here.
Yeah, Amanda sausage.
And the sausage, partner. That looks good. What you got in this one here? The same thing?
No, this is the chicken, pork, and the bacon.
Chicken, pork, and bacon. Damn, boy, I tell you what, that jambalaya gonna make you cry.
And then this is boudin.
Boudin, yeah. Grill boudin. Man, we be eating pretty good today,
Oh
boy.
yeah.
Well, that looks good, man. Thank you a lot, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And this little raffle table out here. Boy, they got some good stuff here. Dang. Got watches, lighters, portable grills. Man, look here. Knife sets. This is awesome. Lord have mercy. What y'all say, ladies?
Morning, sir.
All right.
It's great today at Palmetto State Park. It's kind of
Terrific. Thank you.
beautiful day. Cloudy.
Thank you. A little bit cloudy, but it just makes it good.
Yes, sir. It does.
Thank y'all, Chef. Let me see her little sign here. Red beans and rice.
Look, Chef.
Air bear style.
Yum, yum, huh?
Boy, that look good, Chef. God dang, what y'all got in the pot? I want to see what's in that. What's on that grill out there. Man, that smells good.
It does.
Well, as soon as it's ready, she passing it around to the cookers.
Oh, Lord.
So you go get a bite.
Well, that's what I need, man. I tell you what, I got no problem with that. Man, that looks good, Chef.
Uh-huh. I cook that every time for the
What is that, pork finger?
Yep.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
God help us, huh?
Yes, indeed. That looks good. Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day, folks.
All right.
All right.
Oh yeah, we'll let it tenderize.
Look here. They done loaded up the pot, Chad. The big pot. Loaded it up, man. Look at that.
Piece of meat to everybody.
Oh. Well, that's going to be good,
100
man.
people today.
How many hundred? 5?
About 100. If they don't show up, we're gonna eat good.
Hey, listen, that's where Leo just asked me if you think we can get 2 servings. I said, they might hook you up.
I got y'all eat your sausage right there.
That looks good, boss. Hot dang, man. Now look here. Huh? Green onion. Don't forget the green onion.
And the secret weapon, whenever you put your rice, you go to that first joint.
Yeah, wait. Show me about that first joint. Last time you showed me.
You gotta go to that first joint. That's how much water you put. When you touch the meat, you put that much water.
Yeah.
You can't miss it.
I know, man. I remember when you stuck your finger in there, it come out red as hell.
Yeah.
I still got that video, man.
That's that good seasoning in
Gee,
there.
boy, yeah, man. That finger was red, boy. Then I said, man, you need to hurry and do something with that.
Got some of that Cajun balls.
Look at that. Huh?
And we got some best stop.
Oh, yeah. Well, best stop kidding, boy. All that stuff good. And this is Emma Perry. Hot dang. Where you from, Emma?
Well, I live in Lafayette, but I was born and raised in Cow Island, Louisiana.
Cow
Where I
Island.
was raised.
Okay, well, look, welcome to Latanier Cooker Shack, and I hope you enjoy my gumbo mix.
I most certainly will, and I appreciate it.
All right, Shay. Thank you. Bye-bye. What you got here, Shay?
Don't ask me. This is Danny Mo's stuff.
Oh, yeah. Well, I know if it's Danny Mo's, it's got to be good. Holy moly, that looks good. Well, I'll be back to get me one, that's for sure. Danny Mo?
It's called Alabama sweet pecan bread.
Alabama sweet pecan bread.
Letting it steam.
I gotta see what y'all, what you're ending up with out here. I know, oh my God. Let me get on this side here. Maybe I can get a good picture of it. Lord have mercy, bud.
They'll feed a few people.
Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of people eat. I'm telling you, there's gonna be 300-400 people out here, man. Look at that. Hey, Butch. Thanks a lot, guys.
Oh, yeah.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Wait, let me get in the picture.
Come on over here, girl. Yeah.
By getting the picture.
Oh,
Yeah, you ain't gonna get in the picture back there. All right, now I got y'all hot dang. Hey, look, them pork ribs, those pork fingers was that.
Up a chicken and throwing it back in there.
Shredding up the chicken to throw it back in
Well,
there.
these chunks aren't gonna fit in that little cup.
Hey, man, I tell you what. Ooh, that looks so good. And look here, this is where it's going, folks. Right there. Look at that. Man, I tell you, we're going to do some heavy-duty eating today. Hot dang.
It's our
What you say, guy?
standby. We do a
We're making a standby today. Boy, this weather turned out
Mexican
good.
casserole.
God dang, that looks good, bro. Man.
And then we got this is a cookie brownie, a brownie cookie or
Oh,
a
Lord,
dessert,
yeah.
sweet dessert.
Hey, man, I want to thank you very much, guy.
Thank you.
This looks great. Tell you
Get you a
what.
sample later.
Oh, yeah, I'll be around. There's Roy Young.
Hey, Chef.
Hey, Roy. What's going on, bud? What you got in the pot?
Blackberry cobbler.
Blackberry cobbler. I tell you what. You and Norma, y'all just excellent. Now, that cobbler, I know that cobbler going to be great.
I hope so.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Hey, man, you're working it today, huh?
Yeah, well, every day.
I know it, man. I know it. What you got in the pot?
We got homemade bread. It's kind of what I like to
Oh,
make.
still
Homemade
rising
bread.
right now?
We got some coffee shake cafe in here.
Oh, man. That looks excellent, excellent. Hey, thank you so much. Appreciate y'all. Again, what is that, Shannon?
Blackberry jam cake.
Blackberry jam cake.
It might not be good, but it's gonna be juicy.
Ah, hey, I know it's gonna be good. Thank you so much, Chef. Thank y'all. All right, folks, this is ready. Look at the shrimp, look at the corn. My Chef Bourque's shrimpy corn on the bayou is ready. Now I'm getting ready to go ahead and get it prepared for serving. Hey, this Chef Bourque, I'll talk with you at the well. Man, everybody got something awesome out here. My Lord. Thank you. All right, what you say, bud? What's your name?
Barry.
Barry?
Yes, sir.
All right, where you from?
Well, I'm from North Louisiana.
All right.
I live in Alabama now.
Live in Alabama now. Hey, listen.
I belong to a Dutch oven group over in Alabama.
Really?
Yes,
Terrific, terrific, man. Well, we're glad to see you out here, and welcome to Latanier Cookers.
Thank you. This is good.
Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, got some folks from Oregon. Hey, where y'all? Whereabouts in Oregon?
Southern Oregon, Medford.
Great, great, great. And y'all just decided to stop in Louisiana and do some camping out here?
Yeah, we're doing a cross-country tour.
Great.
And we wanted to do as much of the South as we could. And we've been here now for 6 days.
Hey, look, man. This is where it's all at, you know. And I'm with the Latanier Cookers. We Dutch oven cookers. We do black pot and any other pot there is. And look, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank y'all for showing up.
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Oh, look at the folks out here. Everybody having a good time, Shay. We had a nice crowd today. Hot dang. Oh, yeah, there's some more sitting way out there. They come get a plate and go find them a place to sit. It's good. It's all good at Latanier Cookers. Hot dang.